Hey guys, Doc Willard here, and I'm going to do an unboxing and a little bit of discussion about this soap called Crate 61 that is made in Canada. Alright guys, so here it is. This is a 6-pack of the Crate 61 soap that is handcrafted vegan soaps made in Canada. So this is the box that it comes in. Little Amazon sticker. I did purchase this on Amazon for $15.95 and it was available on Prime, so that there was no shipping costs. So let's go ahead and get in here. The Crate 61, the listing for this actually referenced this product as Crate 61 for Him, a 6-pack that is vegan cold pressed bar soap. Each bar is 4 ounces. And this is what you find inside. So the first one you see here is Tango Mango, Eucamint, activated charcoal. Then I see Patchouli Lime, Oatmeal Shea, and Alpine Spice. Let me just get these out of here. And we'll do a little, I'll describe the soaps a little bit, tell you about the company just a little bit. So they are, like I said, vegan cold pressed soaps that are made in Canada. They are not made with any synthetic chemicals or fragrances, so nothing artificial. They do use premium essential oils instead of fragrances, and they are cruelty free. And let's see, what else? Yeah, so let's go ahead and go right on into this. This is the activated charcoal one, and each one is packaged in a cardboard container that's recyclable, is not tested on animals, and is vegan. And I believe they all have that logo, or all 3 logos rather. All right, so the activated charcoal is made with argan oil and is used as a moisturizing soap. Now, I have not used these yet. I'm going to do a full review on these after I use them. But this just really just has like a clean, earthy smell. So not overpowering with the fragrance, or the essential oil. So this is Eucamint. And Eucamint is Eucalyptus and peppermint. And there is no insignia, no logo, no impression, or anything on these bars of soap. And definitely smells exactly like you would expect it to for being eucalyptus and peppermint. It smells very good. Not too strong or overpowering. You can definitely tell that it's essential oils if you are familiar with essential oils. So this one is Tango Mango. And Tango Mango is said to be citrusy and used for an exfoliation. And it does have some little bit of roughness to it. Very citrusy. And it has a very good smell to it. All right, and the next one we're moving on to is Patchouli Lime. If I can get this open. I guess we're gonna have to rip this one open. There we go. So Patchouli Lime. The patchouli is quite heavy, quite strong, but it smells exactly like patchouli. Then we're moving on to the Oatmeal Shea, which is said to be very moisturizing. Again, I have not used these soaps yet. I don't really feel comfortable putting a used bar of soap on my videos, but we'll see what happens. I might just repackage them after I use them and give them a go. Let's see if this has any scent to it. Not really. It's just a mild soap smell to it. No really outstanding essential oils to that. And the last one we're going to discuss is Alpine Spice, which is said to be unique and made with organic beer. And something to note on this one, because it is made with organic beer, is that it is not gluten-free. So if you have a gluten allergy, I would not recommend using this particular scent of soap. I would definitely call that a unique smell. I don't know that it's my favorite smell. It's not really spicy, but it's definitely a clean smell, so can't go wrong there, I suppose. So there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Crate 61 handcrafted vegan soaps made in Canada, and they are all natural with no synthetic chemicals, no artificial fragrances. They are cruelty-free. Unfortunately not gluten-free, but yeah, so I will be back probably in another week or so after I've had a chance to use these soaps and give you a review. Alright guys, so here we are. I have been using these soaps now for some time, and I just wanted to come back, do a quick review of them. And I'm not sure if you can tell by the different sixth, but my top favorite was the Tango Mango, which Tango, I'm not really sure if it's meant to be, but it's more of a tangerine orange. So I don't know if that's the tango part of it, but I definitely don't spell mango, but this is definitely an exfoliating bar of soap, and it is very nice. The smell is very nice, but like most natural soaps, this scent does not stay with you long once you leave the shower. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing them. The activated charcoal is just an earthy smelling soap. It's not, really doesn't have like a bit of a scent to it, if you will. But it is moisturizing. I find this one is a little bit harder to wash off. The Eucamint is very nice. It's more of a eucalyptus, stands out more than the mint, but it is a very nice soap as well. And all 6 of these have a very nice rich lather, so all of them are very nice as far as the lather goes. As far as the scents vary based on the bar. The Alpine Spice is more of, to me, is more of like a leather smell. It's not really, I don't even know how to explain it. It smells like leather, and it does have, let me see, camphor, bark oil, lemon, and it had, where did it say? It was cedar's on here, cedar wood, and peppermint. The peppermint really doesn't stand out at all, but that is a very nice one as well. It's unique in its own scent. The Patchouli Lime, the patchouli just overpowers the lime, but it's still not an overpowering smell. So with that being said, it is a nice bar of soap. It still has that earthy, natural smell to it with patchouli, but patchouli again is just such a stronger smell than the lime, and I don't smell lime in there at all. And as far as the Oatmeal Shea, there's no smell to this at all aside from earthy, soapy smell. And this one is very moisturizing and can almost be described as difficult to rinse off. So of all 6 of these, the activated charcoal and the Oatmeal Shea are definitely moisturizing soaps and are a bit difficult to get rinsed off. The patchouli and the Alpine and Spice they're okay. They're not my favorite, but then the Eucamint and the Tango Mango are definitely my top 2, and the Tango Mango is definitely in the top 1 just because it's such a great exfoliant. I mean, it really exfoliates your skin. It smells nice and it looks nice. So I will continue to use this one in the future. This one, it does have, for the exfoliant, it does have ground apricot shells and raw mango butter in it. So it is a very nice soap. I highly recommend the Tango Mango and the Eucamint. I don't know that I necessarily recommend the other ones just because they really don't pique my interest, but that might be something for you to consider. So as always, if you enjoyed the content of this video and you would like to see more videos similar in nature, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. And as always, we will see you next time.